Hello, this is Matt Hoots with Sawhorse, and I am at the 1920s makeover ATL. This is going to be a whole house renovation. You can see it in the background over here. And what we're going to do for this series is create a bunch of videos, blog posts, and other content related to this house for you to enjoy, and also see our thought process in designing and constructing this house. So I've got Roger with me with Mythos Media, and he is going to do and create a self-guided tour for us. So his technology is able to go into the house, kind of like a Google map where you go from point to point. And at different points, we're going to do one that's pre-construction before we even get started. So you can see some of our thoughts in the design and the improvements that we're going to make. We're also going to do one pre-drywall so you can see all the exciting building science things that we're doing behind the drywall. And finally, we're going to do the reveal. And what's interesting about this technology is that we can pick a point in the house that is going to be the same for all three different phases. You can click a button and basically see how it can transform right before your eyes. So some of the things that are going to be interesting about this house, the self-guided tour, when you go to a particular point that is of interest, you can have like a little icon you can click on, and with this icon you can see a video or a blog post with either myself or one of our consultants talking about that particular item. All right, Roger, so how does this technology work?
Hi, my name is Roger Nip. I'm co-founder of Mythos Media. What we're doing today is a virtual reality tour photography. What we're doing is taking 360-degree photos in about 12K panoramas. And what we're going to end up doing is we're going to stitch them all together. We're going to do all three floors and then connect all the photos together so you can explore the entire property at your leisure. And we're also going to add some video, audio, backgrounds, information hotspots to make it a truly immersive experience. So what we're going to do in this tour is we're going to shoot all three levels, but we're also going to come back and do two more visits. So during reconstruction and the final results. So in the virtual tour, what we're going to end up showing you is you are going to be able to see the before and after effects side by side. So when you're moving around, you'll be able to see where walls have moved and things have changed, and see that throughout the entire space.
All right.
So the camera doesn't rotate, but it's got 5 lenses, and what it does is when it snaps a picture, it's going to use all 5 lenses at the same time to capture a full 360-degree panorama. And in order to do high dynamic range photography, it actually takes 5 different exposures from the same location. So it takes about 60 seconds to complete one location. And then in post-production, I clean up the coloring, the shadows, make sure that there's no window glare. I try to make sure that I'm out of all reflections and mirrors, but I'm pretty good at editing myself out. I can also do the clean up cracks in the asphalt, but we're going for authenticity here, so I'm going to leave that.
We hope you enjoyed this video, and this video is part of a larger playlist. If you want to see all the videos on this particular house, click the icon in the upper right hand corner. If you want to get instant notifications anytime we're talking about this house or other projects on our YouTube channel, click the subscribe button. In the comments section below, let us know what you thought about this and what other things you would like to hear us talk about on this project and other projects. Thanks for joining us, and see you next time.